Hey guys, this is Mike from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here, and I'm just going to do a quick unboxing here. This is the CORSAIR-Carbide SPEC-04 mid-tower gaming case. I purchased this case off Amazon because I plan to build a PC, and I thought that this case looked really awesome, and I already have a lot of the components that I needed. One of the reasons why I purchased this case though was because I bought a motherboard and I didn't realize how big the motherboard was, so I actually already had a case. But again, this case is for mid towers for ATX motherboards, which is a little bigger than the tower that I had. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this unboxed for you guys. Let's check it out. And if you guys are watching, I'm shooting this in 4K. I don't know if it's gonna upload in 4K, but I already have the box open. I kind of pre-cut it for you guys. So let me dump it out backwards. It's gonna totally fall over, and my cat is probably gonna freak out over here. Hey, over here. Here. The box right there. My cat is in the shop, by the way. So here's the case. It's not heavy at all. Actually, it looks like it's heavy. Probably weighs about 5 pounds. Let me throw these. User manual, like always, right? Oh goodness. Okay. There we go. And the reason why I'm using my bed is because this is probably like the only spot that I can actually shoot it on. And again, you can see my cat is having his fun. But this tower is kind of huge, so I didn't want to unbox this in like a different area. So excuse the lighting. The lighting's kind of horrible, but that's all right. I'm trying to get like as much light on this as possible. So here we go. My dogs are barking. Alright, so let me get rid of the plastic there. So it's a pretty good looking case. Like, I mean, I don't know if you guys are getting a good shot of that. Let me move the tripod here. But basically, you know, this little area right here where my hand goes, it's kind of see-through, and you can, I think it has, I believe, 1 or 2 fans already attached. So right here where my finger would go is where a red LED would go. And the cool part about it is it has a side panel, a clear side panel, actually, so you can actually see in there. And let me see if I can move that again. Sorry guys, this is trial and error, and my cat's moving around. So yeah, it does have 1 LED fan over here in the front. The cool part is I could actually purchase other fans to attach. Like I can purchase one for over here to attach in the back. Now, one thing I can tell you right away is that, and I don't know if this is a plastic covering, it might be, it might not be. Okay, yeah, it is. I see like a streak right here, and I'm not too sure what's going on there, but anyway. Pretty cool, nifty case. I like it, you know. It's very good looking, very nice, black and sleek. As you can see here, you would put the motherboard area right here with all the expansion slots, and the power goes on the very bottom. So not too bad, not too shabby, guys. And again, this is just an unboxing. This case retails for, I think when I bought it, it was $59 on Amazon, but again, prices fluctuate all the time on Amazon. Check out my cat, he's having fun there. But you know, again, you know, if that's not something that you guys are a fan of, I do apologize. I am going to post the link in the description down below, so just so you guys can check it out. But again, guys, this is Mike from BTR Budget Tech Reviews. If you guys want to know where the ports are, like for USB and everything like that, they're actually right here on the side. So let me see if you guys are getting that or not. Let me see if I can zoom in just a little bit. Right there you have one USB 3.0 port. There's a 2.0 port. You have a port for a microphone, your headphone jack, and I'm not too sure what this does, and I'm not too sure what this little port does also on the side. So power button's going to be right there on the side also. But again, guys, this is Mike from BTR Budget Tech Reviews. Again, if you guys like this nice PC case, I'm going to put the link in the description below. So check it out, guys. Again, this is Mike. Please subscribe if you guys like this video, and we'll see y'all next time.